Hi everyone, welcome to Banyan Tree Vabbinfaru here in the Maldives. I'm about to take you on a tour of this amazing spa sanctuary pool villa. So the villa is a beachside villa. It's a spa villa as well, so you have unlimited spa here. There's a jacuzzi below me, as you can see. There's the beach beyond. There's a pool out the back, and we're going to show you everything now. So if you'd like to follow me onto the beach, as we come down, you see there's a table and chairs here. There's also an outdoor living area here, like a lounge outdoors on the beach with views out there to the lagoon. Now we'll move on here. So this is a cabana. As you can see, it's a covered cabana, nice soft seating area here. You can sit and enjoy the views. I'm gonna now jump off. I was gonna jump off it, but I'll come around and just show you the views here from the beach out to the lagoon. So as you can see here, this lagoon is absolutely beautiful. The island doesn't have any water villas, which means that the ocean and marine life has been really well preserved, and the conservation is very hot here, so they're very good at looking after the turtles and the fish and the baby sharks and everything else that lives out there. So we are hopefully later going to go on a snorkel trip with the Marine Lab, and they're going to show us all the best places to find the most amazing marine life. So we'll just take a second here to have a look at the villa. So as you can see, there's a traditional roof here. It's a nice round villa. Over here is the jacuzzi that we had a look at earlier. There's also an outdoor bamboo shower around here. So you can shower outdoors or indoors. And we'll take you inside now. So here we are inside the villa. Big double bed in the middle with amazing views out there. There's a sofa area around here as well. Over the other side is an office area, and below me here is the minibar. So we'll take you now into the bathroom. This bathroom is really nice. It's very luxurious, this resort, 5-star luxury. As you can see, marble, stone used throughout, sunken shower there inside. Or if you'd like to shower outdoors, there's another bamboo shower out here. And as you might have seen coming out of the bathroom there, we're now in the pool area out the back. And this is what gives the Spa Sanctuary Pool Villa its name, the lovely private pool area. There's a day bed here with a cover. There's also another jacuzzi. So you've got 2 jacuzzis, 1 pool, you've got the sea, you've got about 5 or 6 places to sit down and relax as well. And over here is the entrance to the villa, which takes you straight into the bedroom. So that concludes the tour here, and I'm just going to show you outside as well. So here is the entrance to the villa, and as you can see, it's a proper kind of jungle vibe, and it's a very natural island with loads of vegetation around, as you can see. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it.